Denise, solid start to our work week. Maybe a little bit of gloom, a little bit of rain, though we do need some. I think what we're all happy about, warmer temperatures. And we had some sunshine today, but also some clouds. Taking a peek outside from the First Alert Weather Observatory, a solid start to the evening. Temperature-wise, it's still pretty warm outside. At the top of the hour, we were talking about our west side neighborhoods. I want to take you up into Hartford County. This is a cooler spot, but still pretty comfortable up on the northeast side of the metro. Bel Air is in the mid-60s. Aberdeen just a little bit closer to the bay in the upper 60s, and the same can be said for White Marsh and Essex, Edgemere, all of our east side neighborhoods just a smidge cooler than everyone else, but still a solid evening and a relatively rain-free evening out there. Getting to be the time of year where we can't totally rule out an isolated shower and this type of a weather pattern, but if you're out the door literally now headed to the O's game this evening, not too worried about raindrops. Temperatures sliding back from the 70s into the 60s, just feeling maybe a touch muggier out there. First pitch 6:35, and again a pretty solid evening and a nice overnight period getting into tomorrow morning. We're going to wake up to temperatures in the upper 50s along the eastern shore, 60 Baltimore City, 58 Lexington Park. This is comfortable, and just a little bit of fog out the door in the morning. I think the rain chance is slight, and it's mainly later in the day where you're not seeing the patchy fog. Sunshine to start in your bus stop forecast. Temperatures already back into the mid 60s by 9 a.m. So tomorrow will shape up to be a warmer day than today. Another good 5 to 10 degree boost in our temperature. 79 by 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We're shooting for 80s tomorrow in Baltimore City. Much of western Baltimore County, Howard County, Carroll County, one of the warmest spots. And again, even the far western part of the state, mountains in the 70s, western Maryland, Allegheny, Washington counties, probably some of the warmest spots. 80s, a solid bet. Southern Maryland as well, looking at 80s. 70s eastern shore, especially adjacent to the bay. And watching from the beaches here, it's going to be a little bit cooler. The Atlantic's still mighty chilly. It's not even April yet. It's going to keep our temperatures in Ocean City about 10 degrees cooler than Salisbury. We're going to hit 80. Next to the bay as well, could be a little cooler, mid to upper 70s, but you get away from the water and it's hot. College Park 86, 84 in Westminster, 81 Baltimore City, Bel Air also in the lower 80s. Your First Alert neighborhood forecast, top end of the bay here. I want to take a look at Cecil County tomorrow afternoon. This will be a spot that will be a little cooler than everyone else, but Warwick, Chesapeake City, and Elkton still at 80 degrees. Elk Neck right on the water, 76, a little cooler. The northeast community again close to the chilly Chesapeake. It's going to be a little cooler, upper 70s to near 80. Still a solid day to get outside and warmer across the board. Another boost in our temperature on Wednesday. Wednesday's the day to watch though for the evening plans. A greater chance of showers and thunderstorms Wednesday after just spotty stuff today and tomorrow. Wednesday evening trending a little stormier. Even a couple strong storms can't be ruled out, producing some gusty winds and quite a bit of lightning. So if you have anything going on after work, for the kiddos after school Wednesday evening, weather could impact a few plans. 68 on Thursday, a Good Friday, temperatures in the upper 70s, and we're going to hang out in the 70s and 80s until next Monday as cooler air moves in. Denise.
Thank you, Cutter Rick.